How to know if Instagram account is hacked. So if your Instagram account is hacked, you should be able to receive email just like this, which says verify your account. That says someone tried to log into your Instagram account. So they will actually send you a verification code to prevent this from happening or to ensure that it's actually you that's accessing your account. So another indicator also that your Instagram account is actually hacked is if you can't log in. Even if you input right here your password, you can still log in. That means that they have successfully changed your password, which is actually can be fixed by clicking on this forgot password right here and then just entering in here your details, then clicking on continue until you get this code that we have right here. So from in there, you can head over and then just log in your account. You can also watch for some unusual activity like unusual follow request, unusual follow or following, unusual text, unusual DM, unusual post, or anything on your account. So that's how you know if Instagram account is hacked. Hope this helped.